Let Mickey take your child to a place where learning is fun. The World of Disney Toys by Mattel.
Nicoderm, the patch most recommended by doctors and pharmacists.
Of all their delicate parts, tender, sensitive spots, one of the tenderest sits in a diaper all day long. While a wipe may feel soft here, you may need a gentler wipe here. Baby Fresh and Pampers made a wipe quilted thick, clinically shown to be gentler, without the coarse bits like the other leading brand. So clean with a touch just as gentle as your own. Pampers Baby Fresh. Pamper the skin they're in. Shop the world for 20 to 60% less every day, only at HomeSense. Home fashions for less. This summer, West Nile virus is a risk that concerns everyone. To learn how you can protect yourself, visit www.wnvirus.info or call Communication Québec at 1-800-363-1363. A message from the Ministère de la Santé et des Services sociaux du Québec. To help you get in shape, Nautilus Plus is now giving you up to $160 off an annual membership, plus a free official Nautilus Plus sports bag. It's your body. Work it out.
Some things are more important to your peace of mind than you realize. Like knowing how to maintain regularity without drugs or medication. All Bran from Kellogg's. Every day. A drug-free way to promote regularity.